Are you planning to start a website but still confused about which hosting provider to choose? There are many options available today, but if you are a beginner or looking for a reliable hosting service on a low budget, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to give you a complete and honest review of Hostinger, one of the most popular and affordable web hosting providers in the world. By the end of this video, you will clearly know whether Hostinger is the right choice for your website or not. Hostinger is a global web hosting company that was founded in 2004, and today it serves more than 29 million users across over 170 countries. Over the years, Hostinger has built a strong reputation for offering fast performance, affordable pricing, and a very beginner-friendly experience. This is the main reason why bloggers, students, freelancers, and small business owners trust Hostinger for their websites. Hostinger offers several types of hosting services, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS hosting. However, most beginners start with shared hosting because it is affordable and easy to manage. Among the shared hosting plans, the premium plan is the most popular because it allows you to host multiple websites, provides a free domain name, includes a free SSL certificate, and offers better performance compared to the basic plan. One of the biggest reasons people choose Hostinger is its pricing. Hostinger is known for being one of the cheapest hosting providers without compromising on quality. The starting price is usually around $2 per month when you choose a long-term plan. This makes Hostinger much more affordable compared to other hosting providers like Bluehost or SiteGround. Keep in mind that the low price applies to long-term plans, so choosing a 12 or 24-month plan gives you the best value for money. When it comes to speed and performance, Hostinger performs very well for its price range. It uses light-speed servers, SSD storage, and advanced caching technology, which helps websites load faster. Fast loading speed is extremely important for user experience and search engine rankings, and in most cases, websites hosted on Hostinger load in under 2 seconds, which is considered excellent. Security is another important factor, and Hostinger takes it seriously. With Hostinger, you get a free SSL certificate, DDoS protection, malware scanning, and secure access management. These features help protect your website from common online threats and give you peace of mind, especially if you are running a business or collecting user data. Hostinger does not use the traditional cPanel. Instead, it has its own custom control panel called hPanel. This control panel is very clean, simple, and easy to understand, even if you have never used web hosting before. From hPanel, you can manage domains, install WordPress, create professional email accounts, upload files, and control almost every aspect of your hosting account with just a few clicks. For WordPress users, Hostinger is a great option because it offers one-click WordPress installation and free WordPress migration. This means if your website is currently hosted somewhere else, you can easily move it to Hostinger without any technical hassle. Hostinger also provides automatic updates, which is very helpful for beginners who do not want to deal with technical maintenance. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat. The support team is generally fast and helpful, and they also have a large knowledge base with tutorials and guides. While Hostinger does not offer phone support, the live chat system is efficient enough for most users and usually resolves issues quickly. Like every hosting provider, Hostinger also has some drawbacks. There is no phone support, and the renewal prices are higher than the initial discounted price. Also, the basic plan has limited resources. However, considering the low starting cost and the features offered, these disadvantages are acceptable for most beginners and small website owners. Hostinger is an excellent choice for beginners, bloggers, affiliate marketers, students, and small business owners who want a reliable and affordable hosting solution. It may not be the best option for very large enterprise websites with extremely high traffic, but for most users, it offers more than enough performance and features. To conclude, if you are looking for a fast, affordable, and beginner-friendly hosting provider, Hostinger is definitely worth considering in 2025. It offers great value for money and is one of the best options for anyone starting their online journey. If you want to get Hostinger at the best possible discount, you can check the link in the description. If you are planning to start a website and you are confused about which hosting provider to choose, or if your current hosting is slow, unreliable, and customer support is disappointing, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, I am going to give you a complete and honest review of SiteGround hosting. We will talk about its features, performance, pricing, advantages, disadvantages, and most importantly, who should use SiteGround and who should avoid it. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea whether SiteGround is the right hosting choice for your website or not. SiteGround is a well-known web hosting company that was founded in 2004 and has built a strong reputation in the hosting industry over the years. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is that SiteGround is officially recommended by WordPress.org, which automatically builds trust among website owners. SiteGround focuses mainly on performance, security, and customer support, which makes it a premium hosting provider rather than a cheap budget option. They host thousands of websites worldwide and are trusted by bloggers, businesses, and developers. One of the biggest strengths of SiteGround is its performance and speed. SiteGround uses Google Cloud infrastructure, which means your website is hosted on one of the fastest and most reliable cloud platforms available today. They use SSD storage for faster data access, advanced caching technology, and a free CDN to improve website loading speed across different locations. In real-world usage, websites hosted on SiteGround load very fast and handle traffic efficiently, which is extremely important for user experience and SEO rankings. Another strong point of SiteGround is its excellent uptime. Downtime can seriously damage your website's credibility and income, but SiteGround consistently delivers uptime close to 99.99%. This means your website remains online almost all the time without unexpected outages. For business websites, blogs, or e-commerce stores, this level of reliability is very important. SiteGround is also very popular because of its outstanding customer support. Their support team is available 24/7 through live chat, ticket system, and phone support. What makes them different is not just availability but quality. Their support agents are knowledgeable, friendly, and quick to resolve issues. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, SiteGround support makes things much easier, especially when dealing with technical problems. When it comes to security, SiteGround takes it very seriously. They provide free SSL certificates, daily backups, advanced firewall protection, and AI-based anti-bot systems to protect your website from attacks. They also automatically update their servers and apply security patches, which reduces the risk of hacking. For WordPress users, SiteGround offers automatic WordPress updates and additional security features that help keep your website safe without extra effort. SiteGround offers different hosting plans depending on your needs. Their shared hosting plans are suitable for beginners and small websites, while their managed WordPress hosting is optimized specifically for WordPress performance and security. For larger websites with high traffic, SiteGround also offers cloud hosting, which is very powerful but also more expensive. Even though their plans are not the cheapest in the market, the quality of service justifies the price for many users. One thing that some users may not like about SiteGround is the pricing after renewal. While the introductory prices are affordable, the renewal prices are higher compared to some competitors. This can be a drawback for people who are on a very tight budget. However, if performance, support, and reliability are your priorities, then SiteGround still offers good value for money. Another point worth mentioning is that SiteGround does not offer unlimited storage on shared hosting plans. Instead, they provide fixed storage limits, which is actually a more transparent approach but may not suit users who need a lot of storage. For most websites, however, the provided storage is more than enough. Overall, SiteGround is an excellent hosting provider for users who want fast speed, strong security, and reliable support. It is especially recommended for WordPress websites, business sites, bloggers, and anyone who wants peace of mind instead of constantly worrying about hosting issues. If you are looking for the cheapest hosting, SiteGround may not be the best choice, but if you want premium quality and long-term reliability, SiteGround is definitely worth considering. So in conclusion, SiteGround is a powerful and trustworthy hosting provider that delivers high performance, strong security, and top-class customer support. If your goal is to build a professional website that runs smoothly and grows over time, SiteGround can be a very solid option. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions about SiteGround hosting. If you are planning to create a website in 2025 and you are confused about which hosting provider to choose, then this video is going to save you a lot of time and money. Today, we are doing a complete and honest review of Bluehost, one of the most popular web hosting providers in the world. By the end of this video, you will clearly know whether Bluehost is worth your money or not, and if it is the right choice for your website. Let's start with a quick introduction. Bluehost is one of the oldest and most trusted web hosting companies in the industry. It was founded in 2003 and currently hosts more than 2 million websites worldwide. What makes Bluehost special is that it is officially recommended by WordPress.org, which instantly builds trust, especially for beginners who want to start a WordPress website without technical headaches. Now let's talk about why Bluehost is so popular among beginners. The biggest reason is ease of use. Bluehost offers a very simple and beginner-friendly dashboard. Even if you have zero experience in web hosting, you can easily manage your website, domain, emails, and files from one place. Everything is clearly labeled, and you don't feel overwhelmed like with some other hosting providers. One of the best features of Bluehost is one-click WordPress installation. You don't need to manually install WordPress or deal with complicated settings. Just click one button, and your WordPress website is live within minutes. This makes Bluehost an excellent choice for bloggers, YouTubers, affiliate marketers, and small business owners. Let's talk about performance, because speed matters a lot in 2025. Bluehost uses SSD storage, which means faster loading times compared to traditional hard drives. They also offer decent server optimization for WordPress websites. While Bluehost may not be the fastest hosting in the world, its performance is very reliable for small to medium traffic websites. For beginners, blogs, and business sites, the speed is more than enough. Uptime is another important factor. Bluehost promises 99.9% uptime, which means your website will stay online most of the time. In real-world usage, Bluehost performs quite well, and downtime issues are rare. This is very important if you are running a business website or an affiliate site where every visitor matters. Now let's discuss pricing, which is one of the main reasons people choose Bluehost. Bluehost offers very affordable starting plans, especially for new users. Their basic shared hosting plan is usually available at a discounted price when you purchase for 12 months or more. This plan is perfect for beginners who want to host one website with a free domain for the first year and a free SSL certificate. Yes, Bluehost gives you a free domain for the first year, which saves you extra money. You also get a free SSL certificate, which is essential for website security and SEO. Google prefers secure websites, so this feature is extremely important in 2025. Customer support is another strong point of Bluehost. They provide 24/7 customer support through live chat and phone calls. Their support team is knowledgeable and helpful, especially when it comes to WordPress issues. For beginners, having reliable support is very important because small problems can feel big when you are just starting out. Bluehost also offers professional email hosting, which allows you to create business emails like yourname@yourwebsite.com. This is great for building trust and professionalism if you are running a business or offering services online. Now let's talk about security features. Bluehost includes basic security features like SSL, malware scanning, and spam protection. They also offer advanced security tools as paid add-ons. While Bluehost's security is good for most users, if you are running a very high traffic or sensitive website, you may need additional security solutions. One thing that I must mention honestly is renewal pricing. Bluehost's initial price is low, but the renewal price is higher. This is common in the hosting industry, but it's something you should be aware of. My advice is to purchase a longer plan initially to lock in the low price for a longer period. So, who should use Bluehost? Bluehost is perfect for beginners, WordPress users, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small business owners, and YouTubers who want a reliable and easy-to-use hosting provider. If you are just starting your online journey, Bluehost is a very safe and trusted choice. However, if you are running a very large website with heavy traffic, advanced customization needs, or enterprise-level requirements, then Bluehost may not be the best option. In that case, managed hosting providers like Kinsta or Cloudways would be more suitable. Now let's quickly talk about pros and cons. The biggest pros of Bluehost are easy WordPress integration, beginner-friendly dashboard, free domain and SSL, reliable uptime, and strong customer support. The main cons are higher renewal prices and average speed compared to premium hosting providers. So, final verdict. Bluehost is not perfect, but it is one of the best hosting providers for beginners in 2025. It offers a great balance between price, performance, and simplicity. If you want to start a website without technical stress, Bluehost is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want reviews of other hosting providers like Hostinger, SiteGround, or Namecheap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.